beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, you are very welcome. My name is Diane. It is soon Christmas time, so we are doing a Christmas inspired look. I've tried to kind of think of like everybody and what kind of looks everybody can do. Today we're doing something with glitter and you know something that stands out a little bit. So let's see what we can come up with. I'm gonna start with my skin has been looking good lately. I'm really thankful for that. So I'm gonna start with my brows. I just cleaned my brows. I feel like makeup always looks way better like when I've had it all clean and I don't have to just like cover up. So yeah, let's get into this one. Also, before I forget, do not forget to go on my Instagram and check out the giveaway because I am announcing the winner pretty soon. So make sure you go on my Instagram and participate so that you can have a chance to win something. Always moisturize your face before doing any makeup look. And the light just seems to shine so brightly. And this primer is really good. It's so soft on the skin. This primer is really amazing. I love it. I don't think I need to explain my brow process. Tell me if you guys need that, but I'm just gonna do that off camera and come back with already done brows because that's just, it's the usual. If you saw my most recent makeup video, I literally do my brows like that all the time. I think I posted how I did my brows. Anywho, let me just do this off camera and get back to you guys in a sec. So I always start by putting concealer on my eyelids, and the name of my concealer is called Smashbox. The concealer, and it's a 24-hour concealer. It's really nice. I feel like if you're gonna use brighter colors, you can always use lighter concealer, but like this is what I have, so we're gonna work with it. And then you gotta blend it everywhere because of course it's gonna affect how your eyeshadow is gonna look like later. I then went in with like a little powder, like a brush that had already gone in powder on top to kind of like even it out. I then used this eyeliner to kind of trace the line that I'm gonna use later on when I'm putting the eyeshadow. So basically you guys are gonna see how the look is gonna turn out to be. I have this thicker eyeliner. I was about to swear. I have this thicker eyeliner which I don't use just for this, so I usually go back to this old one just for the line to make it perfect. When I tell you guys, eyeliner was actually the hardest thing I had to learn because it took some time. Making that line straight and tiny and sharp is actually a struggle. I'm gonna go in with this brush, and that's the same brush that I used for my eyebrows. I'll use this brown and black color to kind of blend in the eyeliner with the eye look. It's gonna be a bit darker like at the bottom, and then it's gonna change to a bit of a red later on. But this is how I do it. You kind of gotta like blend in from the line of the eyeliner, and it's even nicer if the brush is kind of sharper and smaller so that you do not completely destroy the line that you already made. If you want it to be easier for yourself, you can always like put tape instead of using the eyeliner like I did. I feel like many people would use that method, but you gotta go around the liner and make sure it blends in really well. Pick a brush. I'm gonna go in with my favorite palette. I need a new palette, you guys. I'm gonna use that red, the color. I feel like it can also kind of turn into a neon orange. I feel like all these colors become what they are according to like how you use them, but that's the color I'm gonna go in, and I need to blend this. Okay, I need to blend this real good so it can kind of be dark at the bottom and then get lighter at the top. So as you see, I'm literally dabbing on the color and then blending it like at the end where there's the liner. So as I filmed this, you guys, I was vibing to Only Bells smooth playlist on Spotify. That playlist is a whole vibe. I think you guys should check it out. I think she posted it. She probably still has it on her profile. I'm not sure about that, but she definitely posted it like a while back for those who follow her, and that playlist is just it. As y'all see, it still looks crusty, but I'm going in again with a small brush so that I can blend in the eyeliner area or make it a bit more thicker, which is actually what it has to be. And then I also found like a more rounder brush to mix in the dark and the red. But yeah, you're definitely gonna keep blending and make sure things look a bit more together than basically two different colors. So I'm mixing all the different brushes and blending the two colors to make it into what I want. Yes, since I am almost done, I'm gonna hit you with a transition. Boom, y'all saw that? Okay, so let's go in with some liner. Of course, I'm gonna do a transition to that too. I am not about to sit here drawing some eyeliner, and there it is. And of course, I'm gonna now go in with some glitter to change up the look a little bit because it's quite empty, it's quite boring. You can literally use any glitter that you have at home that matches the color. I need new ones because I need a new palette. I don't like what I have. This glitter does not really do it for me, and I feel like this look is also more seen. It was more seen in real life than it is right now on camera, as you guys can see. But I'm using my finger to actually put it on, which makes it way easier than the brushes. I feel like the brushes don't really put it on completely, but of course you go in with a brush to kind of blend in the ends and the top later on, which I'm also gonna do. But blend it in, keep on adding until you feel like you are actually happy with what you have. I'm also gonna have like a little tiny brush that I'll use to, of course, put some glitter on the front because my fingers cannot get there, sis. And then make sure you actually blend on the top because you do not just want to have a bunch of glitter somewhere and then eyeshadow on top that does not really match. So make sure you kind of blend. Of course, another transition and then a little mascara before I put my lashes. But yeah, the secret to eyeshadow is literally blending. Make sure you blend everything in the areas where you want it to be more seen. You always gotta dab, dab, dab. So my lashes are from Kicks, so I cannot really tell you exactly like what link and whatever to buy, but I just got this from my sister. And as you see, I always start by kind of measuring like if I need to cut them or not. These are really new. This is the first day I was using them, and as you also, I did not really need to cut them. They're actually perfect. I don't like when the lashes come all the way to the front, so I always cut that part. But I just got these lashes from my sister in the 25 gifts thing that we're doing. If you follow me on social media, you've probably seen that. And they feel great. Like they literally feel like they're natural. Like I do not have some lashes on. I've had some lashes where I needed to literally like, I felt like my eyes were getting sleepy because they're low-key heavy, but these lashes were perfect. I'm then gonna go in with some foundation, and you guys have already seen what kind of foundation I like. When it comes to makeup, this is my favorite part. This goes way faster. Like according to literally eyeshadow and the whole eyeliner and lashes and everything, I feel like foundation always goes way faster for me. And you can always choose to use a brush or you can use a sponge, but at this point I chose to use a brush. And again, the secret to everything is blend, blend, blend. I am of course gonna go in with concealer after this again to kind of lighten up my under eye. I saw this from this TikTok makeup artist who was actually talking about trying to put it in this way instead of the triangular way, because I think you guys have seen how I used to do the triangle before, and apparently this makes sure your cheeks don't look like they're falling, which is quite cute. So I've been using this method lately. It works. It actually does work for me too. And now that y'all see I finished blending, I'm gonna go in with some banana powder. Another thing that I'm still really scared of in the makeup world is baking. I have not really learned the proper way to do it. Maybe it's not for everybody, because when I do it, it always makes my under eye really dry, and I don't like it. So I usually put this, and then like the moment I'm actually done putting it, I remove it. Like I never let it stay for super long. I always let it stay for like a minute or something, and then I have this like finishing powder that I just put on my cheeks. I feel like it kind of makes that area a bit brighter. I still have not learned how to contour, so I never embarrass myself on the internet, but I finished removing that, and then I'm gonna go in with some powder to kind of make sure everything is like blended in well. That powder is also like a bit darker, so I put it so that that area is not super bright as the middle of the face. I am of course gonna go in with some blush, because who misses out on blush? I think I just accidentally put too much right there, but I've also learned that you can put blush like on top there instead of like smiling, and you put it on the front of the cheeks, because it like makes your face look better. But yeah, you can always put blush like that, and when you feel like it's becoming too much, get a brush that has like the brush that you use for your foundation or your powder brush, and kind of like mix it in there. It also helps a little bit. And then we're gonna go in with a little lip. I have this lip liner that is literally like my lip color. I mean, not completely, but it makes it like look more natural. It makes it look really natural, like it matches my lips basically. And I always use this when I'm doing the dark lip look. I think you guys have seen it on my Instagram, where I would go in with black and then blend it with this one to kind of go in with the natural color of my lips. But when I just want to have glossy lips, I just go in with this one. Child, at this point, I feel like I'm just trying to show off my hair. Would you see that? Some crochet done by my sister. But do not forget to spray yourself so that the makeup can stay on for a whole day and you can look flawless. Now, I think I'm supposed to do some type of reveal for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you came this far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Merry Christmas.